everyone doing? Okay, what's that driver doing? Driver! Hi guys, good morning. It's like almost 10:30 and I'm here in Manuia guys. On pizza. You know, I shop around before we go and catch our train. We're heading off to Granville today guys, so I look dark, so anyway, Manuia looks pretty empty guys. Hi. Pretty empty. Hardly anyone here. So guys, we're here at the train station, me and my daughter. We're heading out to Granville guys. We're at Manuia station. I'm going to do my hair. My daughter's going to do my hair today for Mother's Day Sunday. Aya, isalamang, aya. Yeah, on the train station here, Manuia guys. Nothing exciting at all. It's just a train station. Ah, yeah, nga. 5 minutes the train will be here coming from that direction. So we're gonna go find us a nice little spot so we can catch our train. I want to go on top, sweetheart. Yeah, because I got to film. Can you put my drink open, sweetheart? Open it so I can have a drink. Shake it a bit first.
Next stop, Rooty Hill.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, we just hopped on the train. No. Yeah, she's with... No, when I left she was asleep. But I said to Geneva, she has to fix her breakfast. Yeah, because I don't want to get her up just to have breakfast when she wants to sleep, you know. So I already instructed Geneva what to do. And you know her, she wants to work for that $5. Yeah, where are you? Yeah, ka hoi whawhaka, ka ko whalawa. Ska ko whalawa kasi. Yeah, that's it. Unless you want to get something for later, meat pie or something.
This train will stop at Rooty Hill.
Yeah, okay, Dad. Uh, 12. Yeah, just me and Chalora. Yeah, well, yeah. See you later, sis. Get some rest. Yeah, far.
That's what she works at.
This
Yeah,
station
that's
is
where she
Rooty
works.
Hill.
Retirement. Look at all that. That's the village. That's the
Isn't that the retirement?
that's where I drop her off, over there. There, right there. That's where I drop her off. Cool, baby. Cool, baby. I just want to look how nice the villages are. Yeah. So. Cheers, guys. Oh, you popped it.
No,
You
it's the water from your thing. It's not gonna dry.
It will dry. My don't squeeze out. Really ain't alone. It's the old people villages. Nice, isn't it? All that area is for the old people. You got lovely homes.
See, I feel like I can't cough in public.
Yeah, they knock off coronavirus.
Next stop, Doomside.
Where am I?
Does my hair look messy? How is it? Hold up.
You could have, like, why is there a pin in there? Why is there just something going in, like, one piece?
I'll put it there so it doesn't fly everywhere, thank you.
This train will stop at Doomside.
Okay, I'm turning on my music. I'm not turning.
Next stop, Blacktown.
Schools are still open.
I know, I'm shocked. Thank you, love.
Okay, I'm done.
This station is Blacktown.
I can. Your earwax are gonna get blown.
I gotta go, my bro.
Let's go, my bro.
The train on platform 3 goes to City Circle via Town Hall. First stop Clyde, then Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Homebush, Strathfield, Burwood, then all stations to Redfern, then Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum. The train on platform 4 goes to Leppington. First stop Marylands, then all stations to Liverpool, then
I don't think we... that close.
and Leppington.
I don't know which side.
Like, can you get your
Which side we have to go on?
I don't know, can you get your phone? We're literally late, Mum. And you're having a walkabout.
No, this is to go platforms. That's to go out.
First stop Clyde,
Okay,
then
no worries.
We're here at Granville, guys. We went the wrong direction. Yeah, that'll be me, all right. You go north and I'll go east.
next train to arrive on
No,
platform
that'll be me,
4
guys.
goes to
We're here in
Parramatta.
Granville now.
First
So,
stop,
just gonna go
Harris Park, and then
and look
Parramatta.
for where my daughter is. I don't even know where her salon is, guys. Don't even know. Ask her which side is it. My auntie Galia lives out in Granville.
Where are we? Oh God, Post.
That's no help. You're no help. You're no help, baby.
Where am I?
Oh,
Oh, look at the boys.
maybe we're on the... It's on the other side.
We could just call her. I don't know.
We are so lost. Okay, whereabouts are we?
I don't know. Give us the phone.
There's a big building sort of thing. Okay, let's go. We're late.
We might be later.
Well, I don't know. Text her and ask her, do we come to the right side of the train station or the left? Oh, my legs are killing me.
Okay.
Which direction? Get your Oprah out.
Okay, bye bye.
What about me? Oh! Look at the card I was going to put. I know, I don't know. I don't know where my Opal card is. Oh. Oh. My member's card. No. We're on the Concha side.
We're at the Gongcha side.
Oh, what happened? We're on the wrong side.
Aren't we late?
We'll get your culture. What is it?
Oh, we'll get you a gong cha. What do you want?
I think it's a number 6.
Number 6.
Okay, yeah. Come on. Number 6.
Okay, have to get my daughter concha. Concha. Bit windy here. Okay, my daughter's coming to get us as we are so lost. My navigator over there is no good to me. No, it's like blind leading the blind. But anyway, have a look at the station for a little bit. Chillara, where's mine? Hello. I said to you to get me number 5.
Too late.
Oh, sad one.
Turn back. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I should have. Yeah. See, I knew we were going the wrong way, but no, my navigator here. No, I said to you, the buildings. It's a yellowish looking building, that one over there.
Are we in trouble?
Hi. 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 I didn't comb my hair, I just watched it and come like this. Oh, alright, thank you. Oh no, we had a drink. Thank you very much. That's Chillara. Okay, ta. Look how beautiful it looks in here. Nice. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you now and I'm going to show you guys the end result later. Okay, Chilora's over there, she's waiting for her turn. And then we're going to get this done guys. And what else are going to think? Okay, 5 to 4. done, guys. It's nice and short, different colour, similar to the colour I had. Good morning, guys. I got my hair did. Look, I like the colour my daughter put in. She did a really good job. I woke up late, guys. I'm supposed to go and get donuts. I set the alarm and everything, and I woke up about 6 o'clock. Set the alarm. I thought, okay, I'm gonna wake up at 9:30 because the place opens at 10 o'clock. So, rock and roll, look, driver, so, yeah, so the place opens at 10 o'clock. So if you go in at 10 o'clock at this donut place, it's called, something West Donut. Ay, honest, I can't remember. I remembered it last night. See what happens when I sleep too long? Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna go there and see what's left over, because it's now 20 past 12, but the place opens at 10. So when you get in at 10 o'clock, right? Oh, all the yummy, delicious donut. Oh. Anyway, I'm hoping that they have like apple donuts left. Oh, delicious, delicious. It's like 2 donuts, right? No, it's like 1 donut, and they cut it and they put like cooked apple inside it and a bit of cream and dust it with a bit of icing sugar. And it's delicious. You guys thought I was gonna say tapong, man. Yeah, not bomb if I gave me. Anyway, I got my driver here. He just finished doing his washing, hung up his clothes for school. Nah, that for work. That stop it. My husband finished his ABC before. Anyway, we're heading off to Wilmot. It's a beautiful day here in Sydney. Yep, and we are trapped behind traffic. Oh my gosh. Hey, don't push in. Don't push in. Do you guys watch on YouTube, right? There's like there's videos of people, you know, like road rage and stuff, and I watch the driving in here in Australia, and I think, oh, poor truckies, because most of the videos that I watch belongs to truck drivers, and the crap they go through. I feel so sorry for them. People jumping in the way, people just coming out just because they think, oh, you know, the truckies are slow, they'll get in there, right? But they don't think about how long it takes for a truck to stop. Unlike a car, you can slam the brakes on and it will, you know, like, brake straight away. But no, they want to jump in the front, and the poor truckie had to try and slow its truck down, and then it's got like all that load that they have to keep protected, otherwise it will all, you know, crumble down and fall apart and crash down, and then they lose all that stuff, the goods that they got in their trucks, and then they get in trouble. And it's not because of them, it's because of some impatient drivers like my husband here. Okay, we've arrived to the Wilmot shops. You better go the other way, darling, because everyone is going that way. And oh man, look at all the cars. Are they coming for the donuts too? They better watch it. They better watch it. Yeah. They just got here. Okay, I better go in there. Okay, go on and you look for us a park. Oi, how do I park, laddie? How do I park? Thank you. No, go and park in there.
There's no park.
There.
There's a car there.
Between the red and the white. The red and the white. Man, I'm so colorblind. Between the blue and the... Yeah, there. Anyway, guys, the place is here at the Wilmot shops. Okay? The Wilmot shop. and they sell all these donuts. I'm a bit late, but who knows, I probably can get some donuts. Oh yeah, there's a queue, not that long. The reason why I'm showing you guys so you know where to come and get you guys some, okay? These are the apple donuts that I was telling you guys about. They're so delicious. And I got Nutella and jam donuts. Look up close, guys. Ooh. So guys, if you guys want any of those donuts, you guys go to Wilmot Shops. It's at the Wilmot Shop, guys. They open on a Saturday. I only go on a Saturday, but they had that open notice, the open time on the notice board that I showed you guys. Yeah, I think Wednesday you have to ring up and book up. No, I think you book it on Facebook. Yeah, anyway guys, you check them up on Facebook, and you can order via Messenger and get you some of these. Okay guys, look. Okay, I'm gonna get me the Nutella one. I can hear my sister. Delicious. Why? So fresh. I know it looks dark, right? So good. Happy Mother's Day, ladies. I'm here in St. Mary's. I come to buy flowers for my mom and Auntie Leia. She's like a mother to us. Got us some flowers, got them some chocolate as well. But you know, my mom, we'll be showing it. Anyway, anyway guys, happy Mother's Day to you guys. Thank you guys for watching my channel. It's lopsided today. It was like everywhere. It's like a mixture of stuff. Okay guys, so happy Mother's Day. Manuia wa society na. Keep on being the awesome mothers that you are out there. Okay, paso for.